and online, WIVB.com.
We will turn to some other news now. Back here, residents in Lancaster and the village of Depew are still looking for answers tonight about those loud booms that they've been hearing.
Our Sarah Minkowitz has been trying to get to the bottom of this, and she has the latest this evening from Lancaster.
People in both Lancaster and Depew say they've been hearing loud booming noises at all hours of the day for several weeks now. One Lancaster resident says she heard a loud noise just a few weeks ago here at Como Lake Park while walking her dog.
It just was a big boom, and I really didn't know what it was. I said, well, it was too loud for fireworks. You know, the dog is going crazy because she's got sensitive hearing.
No one seems to know what's causing these loud sounds, or where it's happening, and if people should be concerned. Cheryl Wilgowski lives near Bowen and William Street in Lancaster and says she's never experienced anything like this.
I would say it's almost like dynamite blasting, something super loud. So I'm not really sure what it is, but that's what it sounds like to me.
It was definitely not a firework, because we hear them all the time around here. So it wasn't that. I have no idea what it was. It spooked me.
Karen from Lancaster says she heard a loud noise several weeks ago at 9:30 in the morning.
I heard a loud explosion. I got up real quick, looked around outside, didn't see anything.
Monday night at 11 was the last time residents Tammy Norris and Jessica Pytek heard something.
This boom is huge.
Yeah,
it's very loud, very unsettling. And it's heard from like the Depew all the way to the other side of Lancaster.
Law enforcement officials tell News 4 that they've been looking into what's causing all these loud sounds, but so far they have not identified a specific source for the booms. Sarah Minkowitz, News 4.